Hey y'all, what's up? I made some red beans and rice and some honey cornbread. What y'all eating today? It's so good. I put a little hot sauce on. This is a hearty meal. I put some steaks in it and my red beans. So good. Cornbread. It's cold. I made some red beans, some homemade. Ooh. Hot. I'm standing up in my kitchen, eating on some beans and some cornbread. It's so cold out here. That's so good. I seasoned it so good. You guys can watch the video on how I made it. It's hot. I put some hot sauce in it. Sometimes you just don't be wanting. It's hot, so my nose is running a little bit. Anyhow, sometimes you just don't be wanting no fast food. You just want, especially on a cold day, you just be wanting something good and hearty and healthy and it's that jasmine rice too. I poured a lot of hot sauce on it. Even though I don't like hot food, but red beans and hot sauce, and that cornbread. This is gonna give me itis. I'm gonna be sleepy. I had put this on. I dropped my son off. I put this on at 7 o'clock this morning. And I let it cook on high at first. And then around about 3 o'clock, I turned it down to low. And now, this is the outcome. It's so good. Jalen, Jay, turn that down before they give me a copyright. I'm recording. It's okay now. I don't want YouTube to give me a copyright on this video. I know y'all like, why is she standing up eating? Because I feel like it. Look, it's almost gone. I love to cook. I do. Mm. Okay. Whew. Mmm. Okay, I'm full now. And cornbread is good. It tastes like honey. So, it's hot. It's cold outside. It's hot in here. So you guys, I hope y'all like this. It was just a simple meal for you guys, you know. I said, let me record it. My little beans and rice. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Sorry I didn't burp for you guys today. The ones that do like it, I got you next time. But anywho, this is Nikki with Nikki Smacks, and I hope you enjoyed this. My little quick little meal, my little beans and rice. You guys have a good one. Bye-bye. Smooches.